Hello, 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 beautiful people. Welcome back to Slow and Easy English, the show where we speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we make sure you understand every single word. I am your host, Bella, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I am John. Hey everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new here, oh my goodness, you picked the perfect episode to start with. Today, we are going to a donut shop. Yes, a real donut shop with donuts and shakes and good conversation.
John, you say that every episode. Oh, you picked the perfect episode.
Because Bella, every episode is perfect.
Okay. He is right, honestly. Every episode is great. But today is extra special because today we are going to practice a very important grammar tense, the past perfect continuous tense.
Ooh, big name. Sounds scary. But don't worry, friends. We are going to make it so easy, so simple, so fun, you will not even feel like you are studying.
That's right. And the best way to learn English is to hear English in real situations, real conversations, everyday life. So today, John and I are going to play two friends going to a donut shop together, just like real life.
Think of it like this. You're sitting with us at the donut shop. You have your coffee or your tea, and you were just listening, relaxing, learning. Easy.
So, before we start, a quick note about the grammar. Past perfect continuous tense. We use it when we want to say that something was happening continuously before another thing happened in the past. For example,
I had been waiting for 20 minutes when the waiter finally came.
She had been studying all night before the exam started.
You see, the action was going on and on and on, and then something else happened. That is the structure. Had been plus verb with ing.
We will hear it many, many times in today's conversation, so don't stress. Just listen, okay? Are you ready?
Are you comfortable? Good. Let's go to the donut shop. Finally, we are here. I had been thinking about this donut shop for the whole week, I'm telling you.
The whole week, John? We only decided to come here yesterday.
Bella, I had been dreaming about glazed donuts since last Monday. Trust me, this is a long time coming.
Okay, I believe you. Honestly, I had been craving something sweet too. I had been eating very healthy food all week. Salads, fruits, vegetables. And today I said to myself, Bella, you deserve a donut.
Yes, you absolutely deserve a donut. 2 donuts, maybe 3.
Let's start with one and see how it goes. Okay, look, the menu is right there. Let me read it.
Oh, I already know what I want. I had been looking at their menu online for 2 days before we came here. I knew exactly what I was going to order.
Wait, you had been looking at the menu online for 2 days?
Yes, I am a serious person, Bella. I take my donuts very seriously.
Oh my goodness. Okay, what do they have? Tell me.
Okay, so they have the classic glazed. That is the original. Simple, beautiful, perfect. They have the chocolate frosted with chocolate on top. They have the strawberry sprinkle, pink frosting, colorful sprinkles, very pretty. And they have the cinnamon sugar, which is warm and a little spicy and so good.
Oh, wow. And for shakes?
For shakes, they have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and, oh, this is exciting, they have a new one, a caramel donut shake. It has real pieces of donut in the shake.
Pieces of donut in the shake? That is genius. Who invented that?
A very smart person, obviously.
Okay, I think I know what I want, but let me think for one more second.
Oh, here comes the waiter. Ready?
Yes, okay, yes, I am ready.
To the waiter. Hello, good afternoon. We had been waiting to try this place for a long time. We are very excited to be here.
Yes, we are. Could we please have a few minutes? Or actually, you know what? I think we are ready. John, you go first.
Perfect. Okay. I would like the classic glazed donut, please. And I would like the caramel donut shake. Large, please.
And I would like the strawberry sprinkle donut, please. It looks so beautiful. And for my shake, can I have the vanilla shake? Medium, please.
Oh, and can we also get 2 glasses of water? Thank you so much.
Okay, perfect. Our order is placed. Now we wait.
Now we talk. That's the best part. Bella, tell me, how has your week been? I feel like I had been so busy this week, I didn't even have time to breathe.
Oh, tell me about it. I had been working on a big project at work. I had been working on it for 3 weeks before I finally finished it yesterday. 3 weeks, John.
3 weeks? That is a long time. What kind of project?
It was a presentation for my manager. I had been preparing all the slides, all the data, all the research for 3 weeks, and yesterday I presented it. And my manager loved it.
Oh, Bella, that is amazing. Congratulations. See, that is why you deserve the donut today. You had been working so hard. You earned this treat.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, I had been working very hard, and I had been feeling very stressed. But now it's over, and I'm here with a donut coming, and everything is good.
Everything is perfect. You know what? I had been feeling stressed too this week. I had been preparing for a big exam. I had been studying every night for 2 weeks before the exam happened on Friday.
Oh yes, your exam. How did it go? You never told me.
It went really well, actually. I think all that studying paid off. I had been reviewing my notes every single night, sometimes until midnight. And when I sat in the exam room, I felt ready. I felt calm.
That's so good to hear. You had been working so hard for that. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, Bella. You know, it's funny, before I started studying, I had been feeling very nervous about the exam for a long time. Like weeks before I even opened a book, I had been worrying and worrying.
I know that feeling. I had been feeling nervous about my presentation too, before I even started. But once I started working on it, the nervousness slowly went away.
Exactly. Action is the cure for worry. Once you start doing the thing, the fear becomes smaller.
That's so true. Okay, John, deep thought alert. You are getting very wise today.
It's the donut shop energy. This place makes me philosophical.
Oh, look, here they come. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at my glazed donut. Look at how it is shining, Bella. It is glowing.
It is not glowing, John.
It is glowing with deliciousness. And look at my caramel donut shake. There are actual donut pieces floating on top. I had been hoping it would look like this, and it is even better.
And look at my strawberry sprinkle donut. It is so pretty. The pink frosting, the colorful sprinkles. Oh, I almost don't want to eat it. Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Okay, let's eat.
Wait. We have to do the first bite together, like a ceremony.
A ceremony?
Yes, we pick up our donuts, we look at each other, we say cheers, and we take the first bite together.
Okay, fine. I love it. Ready?
Ready. Pick it up. 3, 2, 1. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Bella.
I know.
This is the best thing I have eaten in my entire life.
You say that every time you eat something.
And I mean it every time. No, but seriously, I had been waiting to try this place for so long, and it was completely worth it. Every single day that I had been waiting was worth it for this one bite.
It really is incredible. The strawberry frosting is so fresh, it does not taste fake at all. It tastes like real strawberries.
And the glaze on mine, it is light, it is sweet, it is not too much, it is just perfect. Oh, I am so happy right now.
You are a different person when you are eating a donut, John. You become very emotional.
Food is emotional, Bella. Food is love. Now try your vanilla shake. Tell me how it is.
Oh, it is thick, it is creamy, it is cold, it is perfect. It is exactly what I needed after a long week.
Now try my caramel donut shake. Just one sip.
Oh no.
What?
I should have ordered this. This is incredible. The caramel, the little donut pieces. This is unreal.
I told you. I have been telling you about the caramel shake since we walked in. But did you listen? No.
Okay, you were right. Next time, I'm getting the caramel donut shake.
Next time? So there is a next time? We are coming back?
We are definitely coming back. Maybe next week?
I will start looking at the menu tonight.
Of course you will.
And scene. That's our donut shop story, everyone. Did you enjoy it?
I hope you did. And more importantly, did you hear the grammar? Did you catch all the past perfect continuous sentences?
Let's quickly remember some of them together. I'll say them slowly. Listen carefully.
I had been thinking about this donut shop for the whole week.
I had been working on the project for 3 weeks before she finished it.
I had been studying every night for 2 weeks before the exam.
I had been waiting to try this place for so long.
I had been feeling very nervous about the exam.
Do you see the pattern? Had been plus the verb with ing. That is it. That is the whole formula. Had been plus verb ing. Something was happening continuously for a period of time before something else happened in the past.
And the beautiful thing is, you can use this tense in everyday life, at a restaurant, at work, at school, with your friends. It makes your English sound natural. It makes your English sound fluent.
So practice it. Say it out loud. Make your own sentences. I had been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. She had been cooking all morning. They had been playing football for an hour before it rained. Try it.
Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Repetition is the key. The more you say it, the more natural it feels. And one day it will come out automatically, without thinking. That is fluency.
That is the goal, friends. That is why we are here. That is why you are here.
Okay, beautiful people. Before we go, we have something very important to say. And please, please listen to this part carefully.
If you enjoyed today's episode, if you learned something, if you smiled even once, then please, please, please hit that subscribe button. It is right there. You can see it. Just click it. It takes 2 seconds, and it means the world to us.
When you subscribe, you become part of our family, our slow and easy English family. And every time we make a new episode, you will be the first to know. You will never miss a lesson.
And trust us, we have so many more episodes coming. More real-life conversations, more grammar made easy, more fun situations at the grocery store, at the airport, at a birthday party, at a coffee shop, all of it.
Every episode, we will take one grammar tense, one real-life situation, and we will make it so simple, so clear, so enjoyable that you'll forget you're even studying.
Because that is our promise to you. Learning English should not be boring. It should not be painful. It should be fun. It should feel like hanging out with friends.
And that is exactly what we are, your English learning friends, John and Bella, right here every week.
So subscribe. Hit the bell icon too so you get a notification every time we upload. Like this video if it helped you, and leave us a comment below. Tell us, what donut would you order? The classic glazed, the strawberry sprinkle, the chocolate frosted, or the cinnamon sugar?
Or the caramel donut shake, obviously the best choice.
John, let the people decide. Leave your answer in the comments. We read every single comment. We love hearing from you. And if you have a request, a grammar topic you want to learn, a situation you want us to act out, tell us. We make these episodes for you, so your feedback is everything to us.
Thank you so much for watching today. Really, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. You chose to spend your time with us, and we do not take that for granted, not even for 1 second.
You are working hard to learn English, and that takes courage. That takes dedication. We see that, and we are so proud of you.
Keep going. Keep listening. Keep practicing. You're doing better than you think.
Until next time, this is Speaker 1, John.
And this is Speaker 2, Bella.
Saying keep it slow, keep it easy, and keep learning. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.